I'm Michael Crowley, National Fisherman's Boats and Gear Editor, and today we are at Commercial Marine Expo in New Bedford, Massachusetts, and in the booth of NIOSH with Ted Teske, who's brought with him to the show a lazarette monitoring system designed to prevent down flooding and vessels sinking, but I'll let Ted explain that.
Thank you, Michael. The lazarette monitor is a result of a NIOSH engineering intervention project that is looking to prevent vessel sinkings, which is the leading cause of fatalities among commercial fishermen nationwide. So in the last few years, a lot of the major disasters, both on the West Coast and the East Coast, have included a component of down flooding and cross-compartment flooding below decks. And our monitor system here is designed to address both of those problems. Our hatch and door monitor system is simply a pair of sensors that can monitor if the door is wide open, closed, or closed and dogged. And so you can monitor any number of doors from 1 to 24 or even higher if you wanted to. And at a glance in the wheelhouse, if you have all green lights, you know that all of your watertight doors are closed and dogged and ready for the weather. You can combine that with an updated flood monitor that we've developed using a pressure transducer. Most common flooding systems, bilge monitors and the like, use a float switch. So the water reaches a certain level, and then you know the pumps come on or the alarm goes on. And then after that point, unless that alarm goes off or the pumps stop running, you don't know the condition of the flooding in your vessel. By using a pressure transducer, we can monitor the full depth of the water in the hold or in the compartment, and you know that if your pumps are on and running and that needle continues to rise, you know that your pumps aren't keeping up. And so you can think about doing more damage control. You can think about if it's really going up quickly, should I call a mayday? Should I alert someone else? Should I launch a life raft? Should I get my crew in their immersion suits? It allows them to buy time, critical minutes in a vessel disaster that will get them off the boat safely and allow them to be rescued by the Coast Guard or by another vessel. So we've been working on these systems for the last few years. We've had them tested up in the Bering Sea in Alaska on a couple different vessels, and we're currently wrapping up the sea trials on them and hoping to get them commercialized and out to the public here in the next year or so. The hatch and door portion of the system is actually available already from a company in Oregon called Wapato Engineering. And you can contact them through their website and get prices and quotes and availability and go from there. So our hope is that by getting these systems on boats around the country, we'll start to see that number of vessel sinking fatalities come down and hopefully make fishing a safer industry for everybody.